All right, let's work with this application. It says Hilton University Drama Club sold 311 tickets for a play. Student tickets cost 50 cents each. Non-student tickets cost $1.50. If the total receipts were 385 with 50 cents, find how many tickets of each type were sold. So, okay, this camera thing is something new. Let's use system of equations to create two equations so we can solve and find the number of tickets were sold for each type, right? So when I read it, I noticed that we have student tickets. So I am going to say X equals the student's tickets. Okay. And then I'm going to say Y is a non-student. Non-student tickets. Okay. So let's see, let's go back. Student tickets cost 50 cents each and non-students $1.50. If the total receipts were 385. So when I'm reading it, I am noticing that I have an equation that is for tickets and then an equation that is for cost. So I am not told how many tickets were sold at a price of 50 cents, nor how many tickets were sold at a price of $1.50. But I do know that that equals to a total of 311. All right. Now I am told that the tickets for student cost 50 cents and that the tickets for non-students cost $1.50. And that does equal to a total of $385.50. If you notice now we have our two linear equations, and based on the way it's written, so the form, they're both in standard form. So I am going to use the elimination method to solve. All right, elimination method. So what am I going to do? I am going to cancel the x. I want to cancel the x. Cancel the x. Okay. So in order to cancel the x, I am going to multiply line 1, let me label. Line 1, line 2. I am going to multiply line 1 by negative 50, so times 50 times negative 50. Negative 0.50, because it's 50 cents. So when I do that, I have negative 0.x minus 0.50y equals, I have that answer somewhere, negative 192.75. And then I'm going to bring my other one down. $385.50. I am going to add both of my lines. That cancels. So obviously this is a 1. What am I looking at my notes? This is just $1. So 1y equals 3. Oh, not 3. There we go. What was this? This one. 192.75. So when we subtract that, we get 192.75. Divide both sides by 1. Y equals 192.75. If you substitute that for the x, you're going to get, so we need to find the x. We're going to do right here. So we're going to use a different color to try to help you stay let's do this color. So I'm going to use line 1. So I have x plus 192.75 equals 311. When I subtract that is, what is it? 118. 118.25. And if you're, I don't know, I want to be, I'm not sure if I did this correct, I am going to go ahead and use line 1. Substitute the value I got for x, which is 118.25, and I am going to add the value that I got for y, which is 192.75, and when I add those two, it should equal to 311, which it equals to 311, but you're not going to be able to see, but oh, it froze. The moment I stop doing, it freezes. You won't be able to see, but it does equal to 311. Okay, so we found both our non-ticket students. Oh, what is it? We found the students' tickets and the non-student tickets. Okay. And then I need to pause this.